I've just done a creative insight session with Alistair, and in the space of, I would say, 45 minutes, it's taught me an awful lot about how we're trying to position the business which we're trying to start right now. Two key things that came out for me were, in terms of the avatar creation and the pain points, the primary pain points are part of the solution, but you have to dive in a lot further. So more questions, in fact, more is what Alistair was saying, but go to the secondary and tertiary parts of the problems, and then when you get further down the route, you can begin to think about the value that is attached to those problems. And once you have that, you can create a story back to the avatar, whoever that might be, that enables you to link with those people with a potential solution in mind. That was a great insight. The second one that's really helped me actually is that we're quite a small business, so whilst we have solutions for the bigger companies we're trying to partner with, you could argue that small, how big of a solution are we? But actually being small is quite it's flipping it really. Being small to us is a big advantage. We can become a test lab, a test bed, for them to experiment, which is away from their brand, but innovate the product with us that gives them a lot of insight and data over a period of time that they wouldn't otherwise have as an avenue. So already it's about actually encouraging our thinking that we're actually quite a big partner in their eyes, no matter how small we are. The creative insight that I've just obtained effectively, in terms of making a difference to our business, it certainly makes us feel different a bit how we go into meetings where we're deemed a small player, but again we offer a big solution, so actually having the confidence to go in there and thinking through how that solution can add value to that particular partner. So that's getting over the kind of confidence situation about just because you're new and you're small doesn't mean to say you don't have to think that way. But also getting down to the kind of tertiary pain points really enables you to connect to that partner, and I think either getting a partner to believe in you, to take the leap of faith to join you. Alistair describes it as something like getting them to the second step but charging through, as opposed to just getting them over the line. So it's given me more thought around actually how we get them to rush onto the second step, and in that way it gives us a better chance to secure them as partners. Following on from that, I mean, I just like to say to anybody out there who's looking to have a creative insight session, Alistair is a great guy because he will force you to do the thinking by asking more questions yourself. Not only that, of course, he's got other creative insights, metaphors and stories he has, which stimulates you to think differently, and it only takes one light bulb moment to really see you've got value there. And for me, I got 2 out of that last session, so I definitely recommend you to give him a try.